Good morning, everyone. I'm Amolik, and today I'm in a podcast with my father. And he will ask me some questions, and I will answer. And please, you also answer them in the comment box. So let's get going.
Yeah. So hi Amolik, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. So how's the trip, by the way?
It's like amazing. Like these places are like wonderful, and I hope so. You have also made a plan for coming this in the Chopta and Oli because these are wonderful places.
Yes, absolutely. So how many places you visited as of now?
Many, like I'm not counting it, but
Okay. So
many.
what is your feeling? How you express your feeling after just coming this wonderful place?
I'm feeling very calm and like nice because of very good breeze is there and it is a like serenity. So it's very nice place.
Yes, absolutely. You said the very correct word they call the serenity or the tranquility.
Tranquility.
Yeah. So it is amazing, no doubt about it. And I heard this name, this particular place is called the mini Switzerland.
Yes.
So do you feel that this kind of the name is absolutely correct, that this place is as good as the mini Switzerland?
Yes, this name is like perfectly suitable because this place is the area of this like this place is just like Switzerland. Like these type of gardens also there are in the Switzerland. This good breeze is also there in Switzerland. It should be named as mini Switzerland only, not as
Okay.
Chopta.
Yeah. And how far is from the means Delhi or the Rishikesh? Any
Approximately
idea?
like 500 kilometers.
500 kilometer from Delhi, and I think
Delhi.
approx 285 kilometer from Rishikesh.
Yes,
Right?
yes, yeah.
Yeah. And it is the what about the height or the altitude?
Height is too much, and as I will share you the photos, there are all the like mountains covered with snow. It is like it is just the summer, and still it is covered with snow. And if we will like visit Oli, and you will get to know it in the next video. There would be snow also. It might be that there would be snow.
So Amolik, you are actually covering this spoken English journey, and I think today is the
Third
53rd day. Okay, that's great. And it is very amazing that you are visiting in these places. You are actually just enjoying these places. However, you are continuing this making video your practice. So
Yeah,
how it is
because-
possible? You are visiting, you are just traveling, and how, in spite of that, you are making the video on a daily basis and you are posting. It is really amazing. So you are enjoying to making these kind of the video, or it is kind of the any pressure?
No.
Yeah.
In the starting, I was feeling a bit pressure that I need to make every day the English videos and I need to practice English every day. But now it is very easy because the practice makes the man perfect. We need to practice daily in every way.
And one thing more, it gives you the consistency, right?
Yeah.
So actually in this kind of the situation, you can say the some kind of the adverse situation, network is not there because we are just living as of now, the network is not there, and some kind of time means that particular circumstances is not there. But however, if you are just making the video, it shows your dedication, it shows your consistency, shows your commitment, it shows your means the power of hard work, right?
Yeah.
So you are maintaining these all kind of things. Really, it is really amazing job. So how you means pass on the message to your audience, to the student?
Like it is just about the practice. We need to like it happens that in the starting we feel the discomfort, but in the discomfort it is also the comfort. Just we need to remove the dis. So make sure you like be in the discomfort because the discomfort only make us like do the hard work and then we do the progress.
Yeah, and there is one saying that okay, if you want to ready for the pain, then only you have to you will get the gain.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, and without pain, nothing gain.
Yeah.
Right? So if you are ready to accept the pain, then definitely the lots of gain would be there.
Yeah.
Right? One thing. And the last question I would like to ask you, that means how long this journey is, this spoken English journey, and what kind of the message you would like to give to your audience student for making this consistency, making this practice, making this kind of the commitment, so that they can fluent in English, they can fluent and they can just master over the language.
Yeah, because this is a 90 days journey. But this is not so that after these 90 days I will leave the English. English is a universal language. It is everywhere. We need to practice English every day in every way. So it is not just that it will be till the 90th day. I will continue with the English, because the English which I am telling you is just the basics. It is like in the Oxford, and there it is very high level English. We need to become that fluent in the English that nobody can beat us in an English battle. And
one thing, Amolik, where we are sitting in front of us, the all mountain covered with the lots of snow,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
It is means out of the world.
yeah,
Amazing, means awesome.
fantabulous.
Yes. So in this kind of the means place, awesome, beautiful places. If you are sitting, if you are spending time, then guys, I am sensitizing you to all of you. Then if you want to get the peace, if you want to get the serenity, right? This is kind of the awesome place. Please must visit, and you can feel the
Breeze and
yeah in
the
the
serenity
kind of
and
the
the
kind of
tranquility.
serene, the kind of calmness you can just feel in this awesome place, and definitely you will enjoy, right? Yes, Amoli, so thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Have a nice day, everyone.
Okay, bye.